This is the Radikal Homes Lover's Way painting with the gold frame right here. It's a really nice painting. We're very pleased with it. We're a repeat buyer of Radikal Homes artwork. They do a really phenomenal job. We like the fact how it just has different textures and things like that. Just looks really nice. The frame on here is this is the light gold frame. You can see it just fits together at the edges. You do have to build this yourself, but again, we've done, I believe, 3 other ones, and it just goes together really easy. This is like I said, the 24 by 35. So this is one of the smaller pieces that they have. A couple of the other ones we have are larger, and this went together really easy. I'm going to say it probably took from unboxing to getting it up probably 30 to 40 minutes or something like that. Just went together really easy. The canvas is rolled up, so you have to unwrap it, you have to build the frame, and it just goes together really great. But once this is on the wall, it just gets a lot of compliments. Everyone who sees it always asks about it, and it's very custom. So you're not going to see too many of these here. It's made very well. I really like how the company gives you a video sample before they send it to you, and they've been phenomenal to work with. Again, I'm a repeat buyer of their artwork and very pleased with it. If you're looking for some art for your home, highly recommend this company.